Hello and welcome to another tips and tricks video from Building on a Budget Models. Today we're going to be looking at Rally Night Stage Light. Now if you're a scale model builder like me, you like to make rally cars, and the rally car kits such as this Hasegawa Focus or this Tamiya Celica often come with night stage lights, especially as so many are made for the Rally Monte Carlo. These are optional parts, but you may not want them to be there all the time. So I've got a solution. Neodymium magnets are really small. You can get them in a range of different sizes. These are 1mm thick, so pretty small. They're a great solution for having optional parts like these night stage lights. Now firstly, I have to say, this wasn't originally my idea. I learnt this from Dalren Models, and I have included a link to his build of the Toyota Celica in the description. See, I built this one long before I had a YouTube channel, but you can see that the lights come off the Celica just as they do on the Focus. Now, I got these neodymium magnets online. I think I got them from eBay. You can see here, Magnet Expert. Now, do be very careful. It says very clearly there, 16 plus. There's safety instructions to read on the outside and also on the inside. They are very powerful. As you can see here, they basically all kind of stick together. I make sure that I'm not wearing my watch, that my phone is far away, because I don't want any of them getting stuck to them and potentially causing problems. So firstly, make the night stage lights according to the instructions as you normally would do. But if there are any raised points like this that go into the bodywork, I removed them and replaced them with magnets. As I say before, read the instructions to the magnets very carefully. Now for this I used Gorilla Glue gel. I placed a very small amount of it on the back of the light and then attached the magnet, made sure that it dried, and then fitted another one onto the back of the bumper here. Made sure that that dried before moving anything around. You don't want to accidentally get the magnet glued onto the wrong place. Then with the rest of the lights, also make them according to the instructions. Now with these I chose to do one at a time, so I did a small blob of super glue and then moved the magnet into a place where it was flush with the bodywork, and then put the other magnet on the underside of the bonnet here. Then when I was happy with that position, I put another blob of super glue onto the other side and moved around the light pods to find the right position for that to dry in. Left it there until I was sure that it was dry, and there it is. You can see that this goes on and off really easily. And so there we have it. Thanks to the neodymium magnets in there, I have these optional light parts, and I think that it's a really good way to improve your rally models. Hope you found that tips and tricks video helpful. Please do leave a comment down below, like, share and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you soon.